Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Windows 11 without losing data. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open settings, and then over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on system, and then you're going to search for recovery from these options. And within the section of recovery options, you'll be able to see reset this PC. So click on the button that says reset PC and you'll be able to see two further options. One is keep my files, by which you can remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. And the second is remove everything, which will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So don't click on remove everything. You're going to click on keep my files. And as soon as you select that, you'll see two further options. One will be cloud download, by which you can download fresh Windows, and the second will be local reinstall, which will use existing files. So you're going to choose cloud download if your system has issues, and after that you can click on next and reset and wait for the process to complete, and your PC will restart multiple times. So that's basically how you can reset Windows 11 without losing data. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.